The video mode makes it possible to capture smooth video pans. This is ideal for those video artists who seek professional and reliable results. The VR drive can be programmed to move the camera in any direction, horizontally or vertically. The speed and acceleration can be programmed for every section of the video pan. The video capture can be very fast or very, very slow. Because of its very precise motors, the movement is super smooth. Of course, the video program can be repeated automatically again and again until the footage is perfect. The VR Drive Video Mode, a must-have for every video professional.